Welcome back to Power Garage. Today we're talking about a true American icon reborn for modern roads, the 2026 Kenworth W900. This truck isn't just transportation, it's a statement of power, pride, and tradition that still turns heads wherever it rolls. The 2026 Kenworth W900 keeps its legendary long hood and classic square design, proving that old-school style never goes out of fashion. Chrome details, bold grille, and customizable paint options make every W900 feel personal, like it was built just for its driver. Even in 2026, Kenworth has respected the heritage while carefully upgrading what matters most. Under the hood, the W900 offers powerful engine options designed for heavy hauling and long-distance performance. Strong torque, smooth power delivery, and improved fuel efficiency make it reliable for both highways and tough jobs. It's built for drivers who want control, strength, and confidence behind the wheel. Inside the cabin, the 2026 W900 feels more comfortable than ever. Premium materials, better insulation, and an upgraded dashboard give drivers a quieter and smoother ride. Modern technology blends seamlessly with the classic interior, offering advanced displays, navigation, and driver assist features without losing that traditional trucker feel. Safety has also taken a step forward. Enhanced braking systems, stability control, lane assistance, and collision warning systems help protect both the driver and everyone else on the road. Kenworth has focused on making long hours behind the wheel safer and less tiring. The 2026 Kenworth W900 isn't trying to follow trends. It stays true to its roots while embracing modern performance, comfort, and safety. It's built for drivers who respect the past but demand reliability for the future. If you love powerful trucks with real character, the W900 still stands tall. Thanks for watching Power Garage.